A man on the way, murmuring and coming with his luggage.
Hey dude! What happened? Why are you coming with all your luggage?
What happened, bro? Are you sent out from your studies?
Sent out me? Never. I have left the school. I don't want to continue my studies. It's boring, yeah.
Hey, it's unbelievable. Did you stop going to school?
Yes, Pa. It's all boring. Many rules and regulations and lots of homeworks. It is a big headache, you know. That's why I left the school.
Okay, bro. What's your next plan?
I am thinking of going for a job. I have to develop myself.
Okay,
Bye.
Guru speaks to himself.
Oh God, I am alone now. Please make me to find a way for my life. Please give me a job. I don't ask you to make me Ambani because no value for money. I don't ask you to make me a politician because no value for persons. I don't want you to bless me with luxurious life because everywhere income tax rate. Oh God, please bless me with a small job. That's enough.
A man passes Guru.
Sir, please excuse me. Hey, mister. Day.
Pardon? Are you calling me?
Yes, sir.
For what?
You look very smart. Very smart. Your appearance seems to be so rich. Please help me, sir. Can you give me a job?
Hey, stop ya. Thanks for your compliment. But I am not a rich man. I am going for an interview.
Day, நீயும் என்ன மாதிரி தானா? Go, go.
What did you say?
Nothing, sir. All the best. All the best. அடேங்கப்பா, படிச்சவன் பணக்கார மாதிரி இருக்கான். ஆனா இப்பதான் வேலை தர்றானா. God is great.
Mister. Hello, mister. What are you doing? What are you looking for?
Nothing, sir.
I think you are in trouble. May I help you?
No problem, sir. You may go.
What?
Nothing, sir. I need a job.
Job. That's very easy. Would you like to be a servant in a house?
Servant. Oh yes, with pleasure.
I think they are well educated. Do you speak English?
Yes, sir. Sure. I know English. I can speak English, talk English, and walk English, sir.
Oh, fine. Then come tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Scene 3. Guru, man and the house owner.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Sir, he is Guru, a good servant. He will be helpful for your household works.
Yes, sir. Yes. Please accept me as one of your servants, sir.
Will he be a good servant? I don't think so. But I accept him for your sake. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please take your seat, Bijo.
வேலை நல்லா செய்யணும். பேசாம சேரையே தூக்கிடலாம்.
Hey! What are you doing, man?
Sir, you only told me to take the seat. That's why I took it. என்ன நினைச்ச? வேலைக்காரன்டா.
It's funny. Hey, I just asked to sit down, man. Do you know English?
Yes, sir. Sure. I know English. I can speak English, talk English, and walk English, sir.
Hey, it's enough. Come tomorrow and take charge.
Okay, sir.
Nice. Bijo, Bijo.
Yes, boss.
It's really good. Please keep it up.
Yes, sir.
ஷூஸ் நல்லா தானே இருக்கு. இதை ஏன் மேலே வைக்க சொல்றாரு? ஒருவேளை பணக்காரங்க செருப்பை கூட மதிப்பாங்க போல.
Okay, sir.
Hey, fool! Why are you keeping the shoe on the top? Keep it outside.
Sir, you only told me to keep it up. That's why I kept it.
Hey, you did a good job. The home is clean. That's why I told keep it up. Which means continue to do like this. Okay?
Oh, sorry, sir. I will keep it up.
Hey, who are you, man?
Wow, what a nice girl. Who are you, madam? I am the owner of this house. What do you want?
What? Owner? Daddy? Daddy?
Yes, dear.
Who is he, Daddy?
Our servant, dear. His name is Bijo.
Servant? He thinks he is the owner of this house.
Oh, ஐயோ ஐயாவோட பொண்ணா போச்சு வேலைக்காரி. Sorry, madam. Just for fun.
Oh, shit. Hey, I'm scolding you. How dare you are simply sitting. What do you think?
Are you joking, madam? You only asked me to sit. That's why.
Hey, that is shit. Oh, God.
Leave him, Dee. We shall go.
Hey, you servant!
Who is this girl? How many daughters does he have?
We have to go out immediately. Polish the shoes and iron the shirt and keep it ready.
I can't understand what she is telling. Iron the shoes. Okay, madam.
Bijo? Bijo? Bijo?
Yes, madam.
Is everything ready? Please come fast.
Okay, madam. Ready, madam? Time. I have polished your shirt and ironed your shoes, madam.
Hey! What is this? What happened?
Why are you shouting, madam? I have done properly as you told me to polish the shirt and iron the shoes, madam.
Oh God!
Oh God, thank you, madam. You have blessed me.
Oh shit!
Oh God, thank you. You have blessed me with a job. I cannot understand them, so I am not happy. There are many with abundant money, but they are unable to enjoy. There are lots of sweets, but they are unable to taste. There are many challenges, but they are unable to be faced. ஐயோ என்னடா இது புலம்பும் போதெல்லாம் இங்கிலீஷா வருது. ஓகே லெட்ஸ் மேனேஜ்.
Bijo!
Yes, boss.
Bijo, she is my friend. Please help her to go home. If possible, go with her and drop her.
Okay, madam. I will drop her.
Bye.
Bijo, you're very smart.
Ayoda. Thank you, madam. You too look very smart.
Okay, Bijo, call again. Bye.
ஏன் கூப்பிட சொல்றாங்க? Merlin, Merlin.
Bijo, why are you calling me?
Nothing, madam. Bye.
Okay, Bijo, call again.
என்னடா இது? Let's try again. Merlin.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you calling me again and again?
Hello, madam. You only asked me to call again. That's why I called you.
Hey, call again means let us meet again.
Oh, sorry, madam. Bye.
In a function, everybody wishes each other. Guru listens to the conversation.
Happy married life. Happy married life.
Jenny, when is your marriage?
Coming 10th year, Father announced in the church, bands are over. He said he would marry me.
Maria, Father. Jenny, what's wrong with you?
Hey, what man? Is this a way to talk with a guest?
Sorry, sir. No, sir. How can a church father priest can marry Jenny?
Hey Bijo, marry means to bless. He accepted to bless my marriage on the occasion. Okay?
Sorry, madam.
Hey, you now go and learn better English and come again.
Sorry, sir. Oh God, you are really great. You have thought what life really means. Learning is an elevator for everybody because it helps everyone to come up. Butler English will never help you to come up.